Clothed and afraid.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Alright, so this is Ellen. She's never been overlanding before, so we're just kind of going over a few things that she's learned and something that she enjoyed most out of here. So I know airing up and airing down was pretty new to you too. I know you didn't really get to experience the trails when we were like aired up to kind of like show you a difference, but
Yeah.
I kind of explained it to you and like basically crawling over rocks and how much more smooth it is and more safe it is and that kind of aspect. So you learned about that.
Yeah, it was cool to like see that because I've never even heard of that, so I didn't know that was a thing, and I didn't realize how, I would say like easy it was. I feel like it was pretty easy, like really easy to learn. So
Yeah,
and it didn't take too much time. Yeah, but
yeah, I mean airing down is pretty quick. Airing up takes a little bit, but during
Yeah.
that time when you air up, like you can get things done. Like
and even though I didn't get to like exactly feel it, like just learning, I guess, what difference it makes sense. So, like I get the concept of it, I guess.
yeah. know, like being out here, like going on these trails, like a lot of cars can get up them, and so like that was, I guess, kind of different for you, like kind of experience like getting like these like breathtaking views. Or, like,
yeah, I was not
in the middle of
expecting
nowhere.
to get these views, to be honest. Like I knew coming here, I mean, I was gonna camp at like normal campgrounds, but it definitely helps having a car that can get you up these trails where no one else can go because it's not crowded and it's quiet. So. I'll be fine with it.
It holds water perfectly and it lays flat.
I need to get one of those.
It's only 10 years.
Yeah, I'll be fine though. Okay, cool. Real pretty.
Real pretty.
You hear my cooking? You hear my cooking show?
Yeah.
Wait. was like your most favorite part out of this whole experience?
The views.
The
I mean,
views,
yeah, the trails that we've gotten to go on, like, it's just, I've never done it before, so it's a really cool experience
Yeah.
to like be able to look back on. I mean, obviously, like getting to like tag along with you is cool because my car can't do it, so.
I mean, as long as you get spotted, you can probably get to
Yeah.
those places. But yeah, it definitely is a little bit harder if you don't have a spotter there to help you out. So
Yeah, no, that's really cool. I'm excited.
yep. I know when I first saw you, you weren't, I guess, pretty aware of like the storage considerations and that kind of thing. So I guess if you want to like talk about like kind of like the things that you had to learn before going out there.
Yeah, so I feel like I definitely packed way too much. Because I guess coming here I didn't really know exactly what we'd be doing. And so in my car I kind of just threw everything in there. But with yours, there's obviously like a lot more storage for like organizing, which
Yep.
is great. Because my car, like, it definitely got messy. So organizing is like super important that I need to start doing and like go through my stuff next time because I feel like I brought way too much stuff.
Yeah.
That wasn't even needed either. Like,
Yeah.
I used it.
That usually like happens because like the first time I went, like I also like overpacked way too much, and like as I keep going, like the more I do it, the more I learn like what I actually need to bring and like what I can like leave behind. So
Yeah.
So yeah,
Cool.
that's it. See you guys later.